with Prospero's. We'll start with Prospero's speech. Prospero, you most lying slave, whom stripes may move. Here, stripe stands for whips. That means chabuk. May move, not kindness. Such ill character slaves should be moved, can be treated with stripes and whips, not with kindness. I have used you. Feel as you are dirty one. With human care and lodged you to mine own self. I gave you the care of human, and you brought you to my own cell. You avoid slave. Avoid stands for disgusting. Though in your book it is written as a Prospero speech, but actually this speech is delivered by Miranda, which any print of goodness will not take. You will not be moved by any sort of goodness. You are not capable of enjoying goodness, being capable of all ill. You are capable to receive and produce only ill. I pitied you. I was sympathetic to you. Took pains to make you speak, taught you each hour one thing or other. I taught you with all my heart. When you did not, savage, know thine own meaning. So one thing or other means everything. Everything. When you did not, savage, know thine own meaning, but wouldst gabble like a thing most brutish. So what is done? There was a time when Caliban did not understand the meaning of his own words. He did not have any understanding regarding the words spoken to him and what he himself is speaking. So he did not have the power to express his feeling, but would gabble like a thing most brutish. So what he used to do, he used to talk many a thing without any meaning. Just like most brutish means most hopelessly, most painfully. I endowed your purpose with words that made them known. So I helped you. I helped you to express your own feelings and wants. So I made those words known to you. And without my help, you would not have expressed your feelings today also. But you vile race, you wicked fellow, though you did not learn, had that in which good natures could not abide to be with. That stands for hardly any good nature man. There is hardly any good natured man, a normal person who would tolerate you. Abide you means tolerate you. Therefore was thou diversely confined into the rock. And for all this reason you are imprisoned into the rock, who had deserved more than prison. And you fellow, you Caliban, you deserve more than a rock. You are such a vile and meaningless fellow. Next, Caliban, you taught me language, and my profit unto is I know how to curse. So you taught me language, and my profit unto is I know how to curse. And since I know the language, I can easily curse you. The great plug did you for learning me language. Here, learning means teaching me language. So, the red plug read you, that means destroy you. The red plug. So here, red plague is a kind of disease. Okay, a kind of epidemic. So what he wants, that red plague should destroy Prospero. So this is the return he is giving to Prospero for teaching him language and other things. So up to this much, in the next class, if it is going to be a live class, we will have the remaining part. So thank you up to this today.